Vice President Kari India Venkaya Naidu haka Sauterik Risau Araja Arpuai ulapli yung maunong rim mansnai kusurok na Shillong Shadauki kabalaya Shakmat menta ha State Convention Center Shillong. Ya kani project na surok labay tingka daga Japanese International Cooperation Agency JICA kabalkot hadu siajar aspa sanpuai klur tingka. Unaidu luan poi hanong ba Shillong haka step Sauterik Risau Araja Arpuai bat lapdang buram yu haraj bawan daulat kejala Meghalaya Satyapal Malik haka jinanlang umentirang ba kejala Konrad Kesang ma Menteri Kampo Yeng ba lakaben rembui ka Chief Secretary ke Kong Rebecca V Susyang lembat ki officer ke Sarkar. Habakran haka jelang play maunong rem unaidu labanjur halo ka jingdon kam man penbiang penbet iksurok haka Thai North East na kementa ka jingkeu ka Thai hakiliang baro. Ulong bakalik kawan leng ba ka lingsoin ru ka de kabadon kam man paikman kenang man penyeso ya ka Thai bat kiwepat ke jela ka India. Ulabanjur ru ikisamla man perkhat ban yang halaki jong ki jat na ki kam la jong. Kuipat kihe sarkar di beladon lang hakani kasih nolor ulat umentri rang ba bat kihe sarkar laidon lang ru usembut mentri rang ba perstun tensong badai kemi ya kata PWD roads.
I discussed all these matters out there on the different connectivities required to boost trade in the region as a whole. And as our Honorable Prime Minister keeps stressing on the fact that we need to act east, we have always maintained that for Meghalaya, it should be act south. So we need to improve our connectivity with Bangladesh and through Bangladesh to important locations like Chittagong. Tomorrow, sir, once these roads are completed and once the roads within Bangladesh also, which already is in progress, is completed, we should be looking at reaching from Guwahati all the way to Chittagong port in less than 10 hours, which today, going to Kolkata, takes close to 30 hours. So not only will we save time, but we will also save cost. And the trade will not just increase with Bangladesh, but it will increase with the rest of the world. And that is why I stress and I reiterate that this particular project is going to be a game changer for not just Meghalaya, but for the whole region of the Northeast.
In order to enhance the connectivity in other northeastern states region, the government have been implementing various projects under the Special Accelerated Road Development Program for Northeast, SARDP Northeast, and the Bharatmala Pariyojana. I am told about 3,850 kilometers have been already awarded and 2,850 kilometers completed under SARDP Northeast and the Bharatmala Pariyojana. 2,180 kilometers, 18 kilometers have been awarded and 541 kilometers have been completed so far. I compliment the Ministry of Road Transport, Nitin Gadkari, is a doer. He has a vision, guiding the country. The Prime Minister wants to fast forward the development. And he has given a three-line mantra: reform, perform, and transform. Transformation of the nation, transformation of the lives of the people. That is on the top agenda of the Prime Minister. Taking proof from the Prime Minister, the Road Transport Minister is really doing a great job. As I could see, there is a determined effort. I was also a minister earlier during Atal Bihari Vajpayee's period, looking after rural development, Panchayat Raj. I had occasion to visit the state and spend time with Sri great P.S. Sangma. Was a versatile parliamentarian, great personality, a very affectionate individual with whom I had a very close relationship. We are missing him today, but the dynamism he has displayed, the work he has done for the development of this region, the issues he has taken up in Indian Parliament and with the Government of India, as Minister, as Speaker, they will be remembered forever. My dear friends, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee has started that Golden Quadrilateral Project. Golden Quadrilateral Project was a very important initiative connecting the entire country, highway, across the country. And he has also taken initiative to have Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Connecting to the village, connecting to the last mile also is important. Because if there is no road, development cannot reach to village. So these two programs are very important. And now, following that spirit, the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Bhai Modi has taken up this Bharatamala project. Connecting the road, connecting waterways, connecting airways, air connectivity, highway connectivity, rural connectivity, tele connectivity, television connectivity, port connectivity are all vital. I am happy that all this connectivity program has gained the momentum and it's moving forward. Once all these projects are completed, I can assuring you that India will be joining the top developed nations of the world. So it is our duty to see that these projects, for which huge funds are given from Delhi, they are completed at the earliest.